Hey everybody, Ed here, and I just want to give you a quick review and demo of this great new plugin by Steve Miller of Website to Market, developer of WPMyFavoritePlugins. I wanted to show you how easy and time-saving it is for you to use WPMyFavoritePlugins to copy all your existing plugins from your existing WordPress sites with all their settings into one master plugin. You will no longer have to clone entire websites when you only need the plugins. This will save you the wasted time of deleting all the pages and posts and advertising. You simply copy all your pre-configured plugins once to your new or old site and upload your chosen theme and begin adding content. Make sure you have 7-zip or WinZip installed on your computer. Okay, so let's get started. Install your licensed plugin via the WordPress panel like you usually install any WordPress plugin. You can also do this via FTP. From your dashboard, go to Plugins, then click Add New, then click Upload, click the Browse button and navigate to where you downloaded the plugin. Select the plugin, click Open, then click Install Now. Once the plugin has been uploaded and activated, in the dashboard on the left-hand side, click on WP My Favorite Plugins to access the settings. Enter in the license key and transaction code that you were provided with in the purchase confirmation email. Be sure to check the Terms of Conditions box, then click Activate License. For the sake of simplicity, I have installed the plugin on a site where I already have uploaded and configured my plugins. From the dashboard, click WP-MFP Export to export your plugin settings. On this setting, you can pick some or all of the plugins that you would like to export to your desktop to create a master plugin. As you can see, I've clicked Select All because I need all of them. After you pick your plugins, hit Export. The exporting plugins scroll bar will appear and it may disappear for a few minutes while the plugin is processing the export to a zip file. When the screen refreshes, you will see the following at the top of the page. Exported zip file is available for download. To download it to your desktop, click on the link and save it to a location on your computer. Notice that it has a random generated name, which makes no sense, so I suggest you rename it to something that makes sense so that you know what it was created for. For example, Amazon Niche Review SEO plugin, or so forth. Now it's ready to import to your next WordPress site. On the new site, I already have the WP-MFP plugin installed. Now all I have to do is click on the Import tab, and when I do, a browser box appears. Click Import Plugin, then click Browse and navigate to the location where you downloaded the plugin. Select the plugin, click Open, and then click Upload. Importing plugin scroll bar will appear as it processes your request. When your request is complete, your new plugin will be uploaded. Your screen should look similar to this. After you import your master plugin from the desktop to a new site or old site, a similar screen to the one shown will appear. In this shot, because I'm importing the master plugin from my desktop back to the site that already has the same plugins on it, you will see the plugins with this verbiage. This plugin already exists. Do you want to overwrite this plugin? You should answer yes or no. If you have new settings or new versions of the plugins, then go ahead and overwrite the old ones. If you do not want to overwrite a plugin, then click no on that plugin. Clicking yes will turn the line green. Clicking no will turn the line red. This is just so that you can see what you have chosen to overwrite and hopefully avoid any accidental deletions. Note, if you are putting the plugin on a brand new site that has no plugins or none that are contained in the new plugins that you are importing, you will not see the "This plugin already exists" message. You will only see the section titled "Please select the plugins you wish to activate." You can then check Activate All or choose individual plugins from the list. Once you select which plugins to activate and to overwrite or not overwrite if applicable, move on down to the activation area. Select the plugins you want to activate individually or click Activate All to activate all of them. If there is a new version available in the WordPress directory, the WP-MFP plugin will alert you so that you can update the plugin once it is uploaded to the site. I have chosen to overwrite all of the plugins and I have chosen to activate all of them. Now click Activate. When the scroll bar appears and it is complete, the screen will appear. Go to the plugins page. All your new plugins should appear and already be activated. You can now update any that need to be updated. You are now done and can proceed with working on your new site with all your favorite plugins deployed and ready to go. Please note, if you're installing a plugin like All-in-One SEO, you will have to change the keywords and the descriptions and any variables that are site specific. This would be the same for any other plugin that needs to be made specific to the site that it is deployed on. All the license code, API, captcha passwords should be intact. They generally don't need to be re-entered, but always check to make sure everything is in place. If you are using it on your own site, then this is easy to check and re-enter any codes if needed. Thank you for watching my review and demo of WP My Favorites plugin. I hope now you can see how easy this plugin is to use. Trust me, there is nothing complicated about this plugin. You will find that it makes making all your similar niche sites so much easier and quickly to set up.